Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn a simple product photo into a super cool advertising poster using Gemini Nano Banana AI. It's Google News instant image editing feature, and trust me, this is going to level up your design scheme. Okay, let's get started. First, just open up the Google Gemini AI in your browser, and then make sure you are logged in with your Google account. And then just select create image, this one, which is powered by Nano Banana. This is where the magic will happens. And then now just upload your product photo. It could be anything, maybe a drink, a pair of shoes, or even skincare. This is going to the base of our poster. Just tap on plus button and then upload files and then photos and videos. Next, let's type a prompt. For a quick start, you can use something simple like this. For example like this, but feel free to type your prompt. You can get more creative and specific. Just describe your poster more details, like add like describe about colors, fonts, or overall styles. And when you're happy with your prompt, just hit generate. And okay, like this. In just a few seconds, Gemini Nano Banana AI transform your plain product shots into a professional looking advertisement like this. It looks like something straight out of magazines or billboard, and then you can keep tweaking the prompt until you get the exact styles that you want. And okay, that's it. Super easy, right? You have just learned how to make a professional poster ad from any product photo with Gemini Nano Banana AI. If this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!